What is up? What's going on, guys? How you doing today? Today is a Monday. Looks like looking good for the start of the week. We up 5.89%, about $62. It looks looking good for today. Considering everything going on in the world, and I think I want to see some gains. So let's see. In the past 3 months, I've been down about 9.2%. See, back in February, look, we was up about 1%. It's starting to, if you see, started to dip in March. Yeah, you see in March, about 20%. It's a lot, about 28%. Started to increase back a little bit towards the middle of March. But so far, so good. Getting our gains back. As we talked last time, bought a few partial shares of Netflix. We got Google up 12%. Netflix, got Amazon, and Tesla. So I'm sure that's probably looking good. So we got so far so good. Everything in the green. We got Nike. Like Disney on the rise. It's looking good. What you think about Under Armour? I'm thinking about might sell this one. Not sure. And Ford, I know they cut their dividend payments. I'm not sure if I want to get rid of that one or not. So far, I think it looks like in the green today. Looking, not gold goes down, but looking good. Might get some more of Carnival, some Royal Caribbean. I think cruise shops bounce back. But overall, we in green. One stock I want to talk about real quick. Somebody mentioned is DraftKings. Might be a good little growth stock. If you don't know what DraftKings is, premier sports entertainment gambling company for online retail sports wagering offerings. I think this might be a good one. Good growth stock. I'm all for dividends, but the past year, looked like it's on a good increase. Wish I got in about a little bit last year. Good little rise. But right now, Russia that. Let me know what you think about that one. Today we'll talk about some high dividend I might be adding. This is VYM. It's a dog in my background. There we go. Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. Good dividend payment, good market cap. They track the high dividend yield on U.S. companies. Think about adding that one. Also, Intel, might be adding that one. Good dividend payment, dividend yield. Past 5 years, pretty good increase for where it came from. Intel. And think about Target. Good company right now. So I might get into this one too right now. 52-week low is 70, which I got in there, but everybody knows Target. But let me know what you think about that. I'm a new investor. Have a little fun, in a way, I like learning from you guys comments. I think, like I said, once a week, I'm going to do a stock pick, and from you guys. I'm always interested from you guys' feedback. So go ahead, please subscribe. Please join my journey. Then we shall get together and just work as a team on this Robinhood and let's grow our portfolio together. If you're new, like, subscribe, and